Imagine yourself in this 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: traction control, stability control, rear-wheel drive, tow hooks, aluminum wheels, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, daytime running lights and automatic headlights. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.